me Olivia and welcome to Presents Box To-You. Today I will be unboxing toy specimens. Now we're gonna cut the thing open. So there are basically 3 butterflies. They're really pretty and I like butterflies, so check these out. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. The first one is an egg, the second one is a caterpillar, the third one is a chrysalis, and the final one is the butterfly. The next one is the bean germination. And the last one is a leaf, so you can see it from seed to leaf. The next one is the insect, bugs, I don't know which one is that. You can also see the backwards of the specimens because some of them are different, front and back. They are pretty creepy, but cool for boys. They also give a magnifying glass for free in the kit, so you can magnify and say interesting. So they're really cool but pretty tiny, so you can use the magnifying glass. The next one is the sea creatures. You can see that there's a crab, a fish, and a lobster. I don't know exactly. Next we have a seashells and this black thing and a crab, and we can also see the backwards as well in these ones. They also give a magnifying glass, so they're pretty cool. And yeah, if you're interested, these are very good to collect and they're really fun to watch as well. So bye!